we have this plumbing pipe inside the pantry. We had printed these plans and put them in here 2 places. They're right here. I had actually stapled them right here where you see a staple. I guess that particular set fell down, but it's the same information on this one. So I put it in here twice, trying to help the plumbers know where to center the sink. The center of that sink is incorrect. We had the cabinet builders out here the other day, and they're going to have to readjust the cabinet since we've already got this done. So again, plumbers and Mason and Royal can't seem to all follow directions very well. So again, these should be centered on this board next to it. They're off. I thought by setting these plans in here and showing exactly where to put it, it would be helpful. It should be roughly 66 inches off of this stud here. You're looking at this corner stud. I will measure this real quick just to show where 66 is. Oh, look, there's 66. This stud here. Wrong stud. Yep, wrong stud.